This is an automotive central control navigation screen compatible with Toyota Tacoma or Toyota 4Runner. It features a 14.6-inch display with a resolution of 1920 x 18, equipped with an Octa-core A7870 processors, 8GB RAM, and 256 GB built-in storage. This is the front side of the central control screen. This is the rear side of the central control screen. And you can see there is two very sturdy brisket here. We have wire set package with 6 pieces. This is a multi-audio adapter cable. It integrates with AUX input and output, a microphone port, and a built-in SIM card slot cable all in one line. Look at this cable. This cable is reverse rear wheels input cable. This one is USB antenna. This one is 4G antenna. This one is GPS antenna. This is a set of power cables for Toyota Tacoma and Toyota 4Runner. This one is a CAN bus. This one is a video decoder. This one is an original car USB adapter cable. This one is an audio output cable. How to switch the UIV3 interface easily. Test the icon and you can switch the interface directly. How to change the things of the original car interface. Don't press the menu. Then you can see there are 3 things here. Choose one you like and go back to the home page. The setup is done. You can have a look. It's just like this. Very beautiful. There is also a button on the side. You can drag it to enlarge the car as is twice its original size. How to drag the car to change its position and enlarge the car size easily. You can tap the 3-dot button at the top. Then drag the car, adjust its position. How to change the context of the cars easily. The content of these 3 cars all can be replaced. Tap the 3-dot button at the top, and then you can see the plugin selection. Tap it and go inside. You can see there are so many car selection here, include YouTube and the vehicle data type brush. You can change whatever you want, just like this. How to change the car model easily. Don't press the car model then into the play. And you can see there are so many cars here. You can pick one you like. And then tap this icon. And the replacement is done successfully. How to customize and change the status bar easily. Don't press any icons on the status bar. Then select tap it. Then select any app you want to add. Then the setup is done. Look at here, you can see so many app here. And look at the setting and the video player, tap it, and you can see the video here. Tap this icon, then it will turn into small window mode. Look at the vehicle setting, tap it, and you can see the information of your car. Trade info, history info, base infos, amplifier TPMFs, and setup. Now look at the setting. Go inside and you can see there are so many settings here. Look at the first one is a wireless network. You can connect your Wi-Fi to choose one you can use. This one is GPS info. And the general here. And the factory with the password 336A. Then go inside, you can see there are so many functions here. Look at the brake wire for video in motion. You can open it or turn it off. Wherever you like is okay. This one is wire setting. This is the desktop mode. This is the device mode. This is the protocol setting. There are so many functions here. You can turn on or turn off. Look at the display. Here you can adjust it by the bar. Backlight brightness adjustment, more or less by yourself. The night, more or less. And the backlight brightness control, you can by lamp and also by time. You can customer adjustment the time setting wherever you like. Look at there is the things. You can switch it, tap it on. You can automatically day and night mode. You can turn on it or turn it off. And this is the classic app or customer. Now look at the sound. Here you can sound mixing scale. You can adjust it. There's the app here, and the storage, location, password, and look at the system. Here, language and improve. You can change the language by here into Chinese, French, whatever you like. Just tap it, and you can add the language. Look at the equalizer. Here is the DTS. You can adjust it to wherever you like. Cinema, music, natural sound, before. And look at the equalizer. You can turn it into standard music, rock mode, soft, classics, popular, lobbying, jazz. Whatever you like is okay. This is the sound file setting. There is 4 modes here. You can choose one you like. Driving mode, co-pilot mode, rear car mode, vehicle mode. This is the surround sound. And stereo sound enhancement here. Vibration, bass boost, sound filtering. Look at the CarPlay. Tap it. After connect your phone, you can see there are so many apps here in your phone. Music from message, setting, and you can play the music wherever you like. Just tap it. The next song. And then you can see there is a Google Map here. You can search for the destination, such as parking, and then tap the go. Look at the media, tap it, and go inside. You can see here is the music player. On this interface, you can see 3 buttons here. You can use these 3 buttons. These 3 buttons allow you to switch to the current song or the next song. In the middle, you can pause or resume the playback. On the right side is the playlist. You can choose the song you like. This one is the media, FM, AM, and you can choose whatever you like. This is the Bluetooth music. This one is online postcard. This is the Google Play Store. Here, there are so many games here. You can download the app you like. There are so many app for you to download, and you can search for the app you like. And the internet speed you can choose to read. Look at the Google Maps, and then go inside. You can search for their destination here. Look at the YouTube. Go inside. You can see so many video here. You can see the short video here.